In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails using Freshdesk, a popular customer service software. While Freshdesk doesn't let you send bulk emails directly to all your customers at once, there are several methods you can use to accomplish similar results, and it all depends on your current plan and what you're hoping to achieve. Let's dive in. First, you have the option to send individual outbound emails using the new email feature in Freshdesk. This method allows you to reach a smaller group of people by adding recipients in the CC or BCC fields. It's important to note that this method won't create individual tickets for each recipient, which means it's best suited for notifying a small group rather than engaging in widespread outreach. This can be particularly useful when you want to quickly send out an announcement or a brief update to a select few without cluttering your ticket system. However, if you're looking to reach a larger audience more efficiently, you might want to consider using Freshdesk's proactive outreach feature. This is available on plans like Garden, Estate, and Forest. Proactive outreach enables you to send personalized bulk emails that won't create tickets in your system. This keeps your help desk organized while still allowing you to connect with many people at once. To start using proactive outreach, you'll first need to import your contacts into Freshdesk. This is done using a CSV file, and you can upload up to 1,500 contacts per campaign. Once your contacts are uploaded, you can begin composing your email. Choose your sender's support email address, then craft both the subject line and the email body. To make your emails more engaging and personalized, you can insert placeholders that will pull in specific information from your contact list, such as the recipient's name or company. Before you send out your campaign, it's a good idea to preview your email. This helps ensure that everything looks the way you want it to and that the placeholders are populating correctly. Once you're happy with the email, you can decide when you want it to be sent. You have the flexibility to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time, which is particularly handy for targeting specific time zones or aligning with broader marketing strategies. Finally, review all the campaign details and complete your setup to dispatch the email to your audience. Keep in mind that the number of emails you can send per month using proactive outreach varies depending on your plan. For example, the Garden plan allows for up to 5 emails per month. Pro or Estate plans can send out 30 per month, and the Enterprise or Forest plans allow up to 50 emails per month. These methods allow you to connect with your customers efficiently while managing your communication strategy within Freshdesk. Whether you're reaching out to a small group or the larger audience, these tools are designed to help you communicate effectively without creating unnecessary complexity in your ticket management system.